They can put the house on the market. You have to pay commission fees. There's an inspection. And based on the inspection, you might have to do some repairs. Some properties in probate, they're in poor condition and they can't be sold with a realtor because people won't qualify for a loan. So that's just time. That's time that you're spending on the monthly expenses, the maintenance, the utilities. So a lot of the families that I've helped, they don't have the extra money to be paying for all of this every single month.
That's why Catherine works hard to minimize the hassles and the closing costs.
You don't have to pay for anything. It's just really when the closing happens, we have to make sure that the liens are taken care of, the taxes are paid. I write up a contract, and if I have to, I will talk to the probate attorney. Some probates need to be approved by the court system. So I help along with making sure the paperwork is correct, and they want to be done with it. And most of them have been very, very happy with me and the whole process.